Ebb and Flow Hydroponic System, a complete guide. Introduction. Ebb and Flow is a popular hydroponic system used for growing plants without soil. This method floods the grow tray with nutrient solution, then drains it into a reservoir. Its simplicity and efficiency make it ideal for gardeners, providing nutrients and oxygen for plant growth. Key components of an ebb and flow hydroponic system. Growing tray holds plants and is periodically flooded with nutrient solution. Reservoir stores nutrient solution and drains it back after flooding. Submersible pump pumps nutrient solution from the reservoir to the grow tray. Timer controls the flooding and draining cycle intervals. Overflow tube prevents overflooding by draining excess solution back to the reservoir. Setting up an ebb and flow system. Light ensure ample natural light or use grow lights. Temperature/humidity maintain stable, moderate conditions. Accessibility ensure easy access for maintenance and harvesting. Water/power place near water and electricity for convenience. Nutrient solution and pH management. Nutrient solution select a solution with all essential macro and micronutrients. pH levels maintain pH between 5.5 and 6.5 for most plants. Monitoring regularly test and adjust pH and nutrient concentrations. EC and ppm measure electrical conductivity EC and parts per million ppm to ensure proper nutrient strength. Seeding and planting in an ebb and flow system. Seed selection use high-quality seeds with a high germination rate. Growing medium ensure medium is moistened before planting seeds. Transplanting after germination, transplant seedlings into the system carefully. Plant care ensure roots are submerged and monitor nutrient uptake and oxygen levels. Maintenance and troubleshooting the system. Nutrient solution regularly check levels and cleanliness. Pump and filters clean and replace when necessary. Flood and drain cycles ensure cycles are functioning correctly. pH and nutrient levels monitor frequently and adjust as needed. Clogs and blockages check for issues and fix them promptly. Best plants for ebb and flow hydroponic systems. Lettuce fast growing and harvestable frequently. Herbs basil, mint, cilantro thrive and provide continuous harvests. Tomatoes produce flavorful and high-quality fruits. Peppers grow well and produce high yields. Strawberries thrive and produce juicy fruits. Benefits of ebb and flow systems. Adaptable to various growing mediums. Promotes healthy root growth with oxygenation. Conserves water by recycling nutrients. Reduces disease with periodic flooding. Challenges and solutions. Inconsistent nutrients, monitor and adjust cycles. Equipment failure, perform checks and keep spare parts. Salt buildup, regularly flush the system. Pests/diseases, monitor plants and use natural remedies early. Conclusion. Cyclic flooding improves efficiency by optimizing nutrient and oxygen delivery. It offers flexibility, working with various plants and growing mediums. The method is sustainable, reusing water and nutrients to reduce environmental impact, while also promoting rapid growth and higher yields. Thank you for taking the time to learn about ebb and flow systems in hydroponics. Whether you're a seasoned grower or just starting, ebb and flow systems offer a sustainable, flexible, and efficient way to cultivate healthy plants with higher yields. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on innovative growing techniques. Happy growing, and see you in the next video.